Whisper bark. Nope. Quiet. Whisper. You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job. That's a better one. Winston. She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what? I can't believe this.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Whisper. Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Ready? Sneeze. Bigger. You ate Kiko's Chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's Chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Kiko.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
Say, I need you to tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came, girl.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick?